Hi, everyone. We promised you a second one.
We're back. Miss Harden, Miss Cipriani.
All right. So we are on part 2. So this is on the back page of your worksheet, that very first problem. So again, we are trying to find common denominators. And the reason we want to find common denominators is because we really want to see, when we're comparing the two fractions, we want to see which one is bigger, which one is smaller. It's also going to help us when we get to adding and subtracting fractions, which is coming very quickly.
Yes, it is.
Very, very quickly.
Yep.
So on the left here, we have 1/3. Now remember that the denominator, that 3, tells me how many pieces my whole is cut into. The top number is going to tell me how much is shaded or how much I have out of that total pieces. And on the right side, we have 1/2. Now again, this one's only cut into 2 pieces total, and we have 1 of them shaded. Now, if I want to compare these, remember, I want the amount of pieces to be the same on both fractions.
And right now, they're not.
They're not. We have 3 on one side that's cut in 2, and then it's cut into 2 pieces on the other.
Because remember, each block, each bar is one whole.
Let's go ahead and put that up.
Yeah, that's a good idea. That's one whole, and this is one whole.
Now, just like we did in the last video, it's going to be important for us to know our least common multiple. And you guys are masters at least common multiple from last week. So let's go ahead and list our least common multiple for both of our denominators. So I'm going to start on the left side here with 3. This time we're going to do it the way that Miss Cipriani's class does it.
Yep.
Either way works. So if you like the T-chart, please do that if you have some space on your paper. So Ms. Harden, do you think you can help us with our least common multiple?
I think I can. Okay, I think I'm ready. Least common multiple for 3. I think the first one is 3.
Oh my gosh, great
It's
job.
like 3 times 1.
Excellent.
And then 3 times 2 is 6.
Excellent.
3 times 3 is 9. And then 3 times 4 is 12. I think I'm going to stop there.
Okay, let's see what we got.
Okay, all right.
Now we're going to move to our least common multiple for 2.
Oh, I got that one from last time. All right, I know my 2s. I'm start with 2, 4, 6. What? Do I have to go farther?
I don't know. Do you see a match here?
I think I do, because look, there's no 3s. There's no 6s. Oh, wait, there is 2 6s.
Interesting.
I see a 6 here, and I see a 6 here.
But Ms. Harden, I really thought it was going to be 12.
I almost thought it was going to be 12 too.
Can you show us the rest of the 2s?
Yeah, let's do the 2s. So 6, 8, 10, 12.
So I was like, oh, I know they both have 12 in common, but why do we have to pick the 6?
Because it's the least
Okay.
common multiple. That means it's the smallest number.
Okay, cool. So we know that we want both of our fractions to be cut into 6 pieces.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so we need to cut them both into 6 pieces. All right. So can I put equals something over 6?
Right, because we want it to become 6, so let's do that on both fractions.
Okay, something over 6.
Okay. Now,
All right.
let's start on the left side there.
Okay.
What do I need to do to make my denominator become from 3 pieces into 6 pieces? What can I multiply it by?
I think 3 times 2, that's 6.
Excellent.
Okay.
So what we're going to do to each third is cut it in half. So let's go ahead and do that.
That's easy. Each third, cut it in half. That's a third. I'm going to cut in half. Here's the next third. I'm going to cut it in half. Here's the next third, cut in half.
Excellent. So we really didn't change anything, right? We didn't change how much we shaded or how much we had. We just cut it smaller.
Yep.
So how much is in the green out of the 6 pieces?
So out of 6 pieces, 2 pieces out of 6.
Excellent.
This is 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. This is 2/6. 2/6.
Now, look at that. What happened again? We multiplied the denominator by 2, and we didn't do anything yet to the top, but we know that
what it equals to.
actually it was just multiplied by 2 again.
That's easy. That's
so whatever you
times 2.
do to the bottom, you must have to do to the top.
I like it.
All right, let's do the same thing for our second one.
Okay, so I know I have to take 2 times something to make it equal 6, right?
Right.
So 2 times, oh wait, we already did it. 2 times 3.
Excellent. So I'm going to take each of my halves and cut it into 3 pieces each.
So I'm going to do this one right here. This guy. So I'm going to go try the best I can.
Make it an even and equal as possible.
That's not bad.
That's excellent.
So here's the next one. 1, 2. Okay. Got it.
So again, we didn't change anything. We just cut it into smaller pieces. So we need to figure out how many out of 6 pieces do we now have shaded.
5, 6. So out of 6 pieces, I have 1, 2, 3 pieces shaded in.
Excellent.
So
And
3,
again,
6.
what happened to the
Oh,
numerator?
look, that's times 3.
Excellent.
Yep. Sweet.
So now we can really compare these two fractions to see which one is bigger and which one is smaller. So we have 2/6 on the left side and 3/6 on the right side. It makes it so much
Oh, yeah.
easier to see which one's bigger or smaller.
And honestly, I know 3 is bigger than 2, so I know this shaded area, 3/6 is larger than 2/6.
Excellent. Thanks for using that art alligator.
Do you like it?
Now the thing on the left, you forgot to circle the bottom part, so let's make sure we're circling it
Oh,
to
I
see how much
forgot.
we're cutting it
Thank
into.
you so much. Thank you so much. It's this one right here.
Excellent.
Good job.
All right, guys. Now these ones are a little bit tougher because you have to cut both of the fraction bars or the holes into pieces. But try the next one on your own. If you need to reference this video, please come back to it. That is what it's here for. You guys are doing an awesome job.
Good job, everybody. If you have questions, please ask us. All right. Thank you so much and have a great day.
I don't know what we're doing.